Hi everyone, welcome to Gigi's creation. As you can see, we have this plastic mirror and we are going to turn it into a farmhouse mirror. So what we needed are this plastic frame mirror, glue gun, a plastic tray from my old project, and of course our favorite twine. So we start by removing the holder of this plastic frame mirror, and then we have to cover it with twine. Of course, we have to use our glue gun to stick it in and just stick around this plastic pink frame. Okay, just keep on doing it. As you can see, make sure if you do this kind of project, make sure to stick it all around and use a good amount of glue, because I try to not use too much and it slip out, so I have to redo it again. Again, this is a good thing about doing DIYs. You can experiment as you go, and if it doesn't work, you can always redo it, and that's what I did. So a piece of advice, if you want to do this kind of stuff, make sure to use glue all around instead of trying to save your glue. Okay. But if you want to reuse your stuff, then yes, by all means. But I like to keep my stuff or give it as a gift to a friend. So I make sure it doesn't come out or it doesn't slip out this white twine that I'm trying to put it on. So it's almost done, guys. I try to make it speed fast it so that it doesn't bore you. And now I cut that off. And now let's stick this into this plastic tray, as you can see, guys. And now let's wrap around more of this white twine, because as you can see, guys, before I remove that holder, right, and it made a big hole on it, and I wasn't so pleased about it. So I'm trying to stick more of this white twine. Okay. And now I took my jute twine and again, let's cover this plastic tray because I'm aiming for a high-end farmhouse mirror. Okay, so that's the reason why I like to use this jute twine, jute or twine. I don't know, but I think this they called it jute. Just keep on doing it. Stick around this plastic tray. Actually, this tray was also I've used it from my old project, and since I'm not using it anymore, so I try to reuse it. It's almost done, guys. Just bear with me. It's worth doing it. It is really worth doing it. All these DIYs, it is very how do you call that? Very rewarding. Okay, done. Um, the reason why I'm trying to put more is because it wasn't balanced. And now I'm trying to make this French, and I would like to make it as a decoration at the edge of this tray. Okay, and now it's done. And I wasn't so happy, guys, about like what I said where I cut the holder. So I'm trying to put more of this white cloth that is from my other project as well. And I don't know. I don't know, guys, if it came out to be good, but unfortunately, I didn't have enough of it to cover the whole area, so I have to um, put another one. So as you can see, you can see where I joined them. And now I'm trying to accessorize it so it doesn't look so boring, Like what I said, the good thing about doing DIYs is you can just, do things as you go along in whatever you make it beautiful or that makes you happy. So I just stick things around just to accessorize it. I didn't even measure it. I didn't. It's it's just the way I do it, guys. It is not so precise the distance of these flowers, but hey, I was just experimenting around. So let's just take all these flowers, and I have all these leftover leaves from all the flowers that I used before. I always keep things behind. And now let's put this twine or at the back. Use super glue gun, guys, for using it, but it's just for the meantime, so I just use this glue gun so that I can hang it onto the bathroom. Okay, and this is the outcome. You see, it is very beautiful, guys. I am really so pleased with the outcome. But anyway, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and I see you again next time. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Bye bye.